Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here at Malika's school just picking her up. As you can see, she's in her class. I got here a little bit early. Guys, you think that it's probably start getting warmer by now, right? But not in Alberta. It's actually the coldest week of the year so far. It's now minus 30. Wind chill feeling like minus 40. Snowing. It's crazy. Now, this is just one of the things that you guys have to take into consideration when you're moving to Alberta or, you know, one of these provinces in Canada. It can be very, very cold, guys. So, notwithstanding, don't let that deter you, though. Once we can manage, you can manage too. You just have to make sure that you're dressed for the weather. But, just in a nutshell, we get like 9 months of winter conditions here in Alberta most year, right? Sometimes, if we're lucky, like this winter hasn't been too bad, but it's still cold, guys. Smash a like on the video, guys, if you like this kind of content. Them outside in the freezing conditions, making sure that you guys get to see exactly what it is that you guys want to see. Subscribe. Guys, it's the night time, guys. I know the last time I spoke to you guys was probably in the afternoon when I went to pick up Malika. It got so cold that I just couldn't vlog anymore. I don't recall ever vlogging in the nighttime, or haven't vlogged in the night in a while. So what I'm doing now, I'm about to get some dinner. Not feeling in the cooking mood. So I'm gonna go to one of my favorite restaurants here in Grande Prairie. I'm deciding to give them a huge shout out right now. If you're in Grande Prairie and you want food that tastes very good, check out Royal Curry. Now it's an Indian restaurant, guys, and I'm telling you guys that, listen, it's one of the only places that we can get food with season. And I mean like spicy food, just like Jamaica. Indians big up on themselves. So I'm just gonna go into Royal Curry, grab some food. It's gonna take probably 20 minutes to be ready. Then I come back outside and have a chat with you guys. Alright, let's go into Royal Curry. What's going on, man?
Hey bro, how are you?
Pretty good.
What do you want to order?
I have no idea. Let's see what's going on here. Well, regardless, I haven't seen my friend in a while. Where is she? Short lady.
She have off today.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I haven't seen her in a while. I'll take 2 butter and naan bread, definitely.
Sure.
I'll take a serving of chicken fried rice, mild spicy. I'll take a serving of goat curry, mild spicy.
Sure, man.
And then let me see what else I need. That's gonna take another 15 to 20 minutes, guys. So a perfect opportunity to talk to my family, the DiAndersons, guys. It's so freaking cold. It's like minus 30, and I saw somebody wearing shorts. These people are unbelievable. Nonetheless, guys, what I want to talk to you guys about is my Calendly link. Now, I started Calendly a couple months ago, but I had to stop it because a lot of persons was reaching out to me in regards to immigration consultancy services. And I've said numerous occasions that I'm not an immigration consultant. So because of the influx of that, I had to stop doing my Calendly. But nonetheless, guys, my Calendly is back up and running. Now you guys can see it in the link description. Now what is Calendly? The Calendly gives my audience, my community, an opportunity to connect with me on a one-on-one basis by booking appointments into my calendar. For different purposes, you guys can see different appointments. All you need to do is to just look through the appointments and see the one that definitely suits your need and suits your requirement. Now, what I also like to say, guys, if it is that you need consultancy service, check out Aspire Canada. The link is also in my video description, by the way. Check out ONPOINT Law if you need immigration lawyer. Link is also in my description. And yeah, just support. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and smash a like on this video, guys. Now this is one of those food spots. So behind me you have Royal Curry, favorite restaurants. Then you have pizza and Donier spot right there. I go there sometimes, but nah, not really my cup of tea anymore. Especially because it's located right beside Royal Curry. Hold on, guys, I get cold. Back in the car, guys, because let me tell you something. Outside is no joke. It's minus 40 outside. My ears was beginning to freeze off. Not playing any hero. Back in the car waiting on this food in the heat. But nonetheless, I can chat to you guys. Now, underneath my calendar link, guys, it gives you, I think I have 4 scheduled appointment events underneath my calendar. Now, if it is that you guys have your letter of explanation that you have already written, and you need me to go over it with you, you can book a 1-hour session and we can go through that letter of explanation in detail, and I can give you my tips as it relates to my experience, and we can come up with the perfect letter of explanation. But in order to book that session, guys, you must have already written your letter of explanation. Now, we do offer a service where we write letter of explanation from scratch, which is something totally different. If that is something that you want, you can either message me on Instagram or send me an email, and both links are directly in the description right down below as well. Now, just to go over that again, if you want help with your letter of explanation that you have already written, and you just need them to go over it with you, you can book a 1-hour session in my calendar, and we can go through it in detail, and we can go through it step by step and work out it until you get the perfect letter. Now, you have to have your letter already written in order to book that session. Now, if you want a letter to be written from scratch, that's a totally different service, but we do offer that service as well. So all you need to do is to just reach out to me on Instagram or send me an email. Both links are in the description right down below. Now, the other event that you guys can book, guys, it's a one-on-one 1-hour session with me and Nuts. Now, underneath this session, guys, this session is intended to share our journey 100% inside out with you guys on a one-on-one basis. So we can tell you guys every single thing that we did, so you can use that to your advantage to either do the same thing or use it to guide your journey. Now, when you book that session, guys, it's not an immigration consultancy thing. We cannot tell you the best way to come to Canada. We can only share our journey with you guys. We came to Canada as an international student, and work permit, and now to permanent resident. Now, we can share our process from start to finish with you guys in this session on a one-on-one basis. For 1 hour, we're just going to detail and share every single thing that we do, so you guys can definitely get an idea and then use that to your advantage. Now, the other thing, guys, that you can get in our calendar is our new immigrant, new to Canada career coaching. Now, many of you guys may have known that, you know what, I've been here for 4 years now, and since being here, I've been through a number of promotions in the banking sector. I've been from a part-time teller, full-time teller, senior teller, manager, senior financial advisor, different roles, and most of which is in the big 5 banks in Canada. So being in Canada in such a short space of time, I know how to navigate. I've learned how to navigate the system, not necessarily to navigate the system in a bad way, but how to make the system work for me as a new immigrant. And that has definitely benefited me in ways that has allowed me to grow step by step, and in such a short space of time, I've been in senior roles in big banks in Canada. I'm willing to share that journey with new immigrants or persons who want to migrate to Canada and want that career coaching to get that resume written, detailed resume writing, and also just tips and pros and cons how to succeed as an immigrant in Canada in the workforce, to make sure that you're setting up yourself for success. Now, if that is what you're interested in, you can book a 1-hour session underneath our new immigrant career coaching segment. Now, again, if it is that you book that session, it is for the intended purpose. Look into the calendar, and if that makes sense and if that is what you want, you can definitely check that out. Now, the other thing that is there, guys, is appointments booked through Ro. Now, this section, guys, is for persons who go through the Ro app. Now, if you guys don't know what the Ro app is, the Ro app is a platform that was created by Kelly's Travels. Big up yourself, Kelly's. And the DiAndersons is also a part of that platform. And what we offer right there is settlement services strategy. Now, you'd have to go to the Ro app. The link is in the description as well. And then you'd have to book directly through the Ro app, and then that will bring you to that segment of the Calendly, and then you are able to book. Now, underneath the settlement strategy, guys, this is where I give you guys strategy to settle in Canada. In terms of when you move to a new country, sometimes you overlook very important information that you're going to need that will make your transition smoother, easier, and better. Now, this is where this 1 hour session is intended to make sure that you have all your ducks in a row in a duck. Oh, that's in a go again. That you have all your ducks in a row, right? So everything is in order, everything is good, and you're not missing anything. Now, for persons who are thinking of coming to Grand Prairie, guys, we have officially registered our business, and it's called DiAndersons Digital Marketing and Settlement Services Strategy. This is a business that has been now officially registered. We are officially business owner here in Alberta, Canada. Now, a big part of our business is providing settlement strategy on a realistic basis. For persons who are thinking of coming to Grande Prairie, we offer a number of services, from finding apartments, from taking you around, from airport pickup and stuff like that. You can definitely check us out where that is concerned. And also, if you're outside of Canada, we might not be able to do all the services that we would offer if it is that you're coming to Grande Prairie, but we can definitely try and make your transition as seamless as possible by creating as much network as possible. That's the Hungry Belch. Make your transition as seamless as possible as you navigate a very testing and trying situation where migrating is concerned. So yeah, check out our calendar, guys. Check it out. If any of these things is going to be beneficial to you, you want to definitely book a 1 hour session. And you know what, once you book it, it goes directly in my calendar, and we send you a Zoom link. Most of our meetings are done over Zoom. Now, if you don't have Zoom, that's totally fine. You can just let me know, and I'll just meet with you on whatever platform you find easier at the time that you schedule. Now, once you click into the calendar, you'll see all my availabilities. All you do is just choose a time that's convenient to you. It's very important to note also, guys, that whatever time you choose, it is blocked off on my calendar. So it simply means that that time is reserved for you. Please be on time, guys. And I'm talking to the Jamaicans mostly. Please be on time. Please be on time. Because I've had situations in the past where someone wasn't on time, and then it went into someone else's appointment, and that person wasn't. Long story, guys. Please be on time. Right? Now, as I said, the calendar was something that I started before. Gave you guys an opportunity to do that. But because of the influx of immigration consultancy requirement that persons was asking for, I had to shut it down a little bit because them don't want to get in trouble. And now everything is more structured. Everything is more organized. And now we are going full force ahead. What's up with me tonight? What that's saying? We're going full steam ahead. Is that what it is? I don't even know. But we're going forward, guys, and we're going forward with a purpose. And the whole intention, guys, is doing this with you in mind. You are in control of your show. Now, the Canadian journey is something that is a difficult journey. It's a overwhelming journey sometimes. Sometimes it's a depressing journey, and it's a costly journey. You don't want to be spending money in places that you don't need to be spending money, in terms of get the information so you don't overspend. Make sure that you have all the facts that is going to support your journey, so you don't make mistakes, costly mistakes, and then look back and say, oh, if I'd known this, if I'd known that. So this is an opportunity for you guys to just make sure that all the facts, all the opportunity, everything that you need is right at your fingertip. Literally, this is open to persons from any country, not just Jamaica, not just Canada. If you're in Africa, if you're in Europe, if you're in the Caribbean, if you're in the States, you can book a time in my calendar. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. It is 100% open to all the persons right around the world. You can check out the links in the description, and then we could take it from there. How me sound, guys? Sound like a plan? Let's make it happen. 100%, guys. Now, that food here mush ready now. Let's see what I got. Guys, if you would like to know the process to register a business here in Alberta, smash a like on the video and drop a comment, and I'll make sure to do a video outlining all the steps that you need to do in order to register your business. And you know what, if you're a temporary resident, I'll give you all the facts as well. So smash a like. Definitely, if that's something that you're interested in, okay? You guys know what time it is. Food time. Time to go home, guys. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if it is that you guys want me to talk more about starting a business. And also just do it regardless, because it's free and it really helps out the channel. Alright guys, see you in the next video.